today we're going to cook peanut butter jelly hummus from my Volume 3 cookbook for lunch. So let's start. So you're going to need to get 3 ounces chickpeas, 1 ounce peanut butter, 6 ounces total of banana and frozen blueberries. You could use fresh blueberries, but I have frozen. And then an ounce of cream cheese for your fat. So let's start. So we're going to take our bowl and put it on our scale. Let's turn our scales on. We're going to zero it out. So we're going to take our 3 ounces chickpeas and pour it in our bowl. Perfect, 3 ounces. Then I'm going to take my hand blender, or they call it an immersion blender, hand blender. You could use a food processor or a blender, and we're going to make this nice and smooth like hummus. Okay, get it all smooth, get rid of all the chunks. You don't want any chunks because we want this nice and smooth. Once we get it all back in there, then we're going to add our peanut butter. So let's zero our scales, and we're going to do 1 ounce of peanut butter. There we go, 1 ounce. Then we're going to zero our scales again. We're going to do 1 ounce of cream cheese. Now cream cheese can be a bingey food, so if it triggers you, don't use it. You could use ricotta cheese, you could use milk, you could use yogurt instead, but it wouldn't count as your fat. Then you'd have to do a 1/2 ounce of peanut butter and then 4 ounces yogurt or 2 ounces ricotta cheese. But I'm going to use cream cheese because for me, I'm okay with it. So we're going to do 1 ounce of cream cheese. Almost. Perfect, 1 ounce. Then I'm going to take 1 banana, and I'm going to zero my scale, and we're going to get 6 ounce total of banana and blueberries. So I'm going to measure out my full banana. And I like to use banana because it's nice and sweet and it makes the hummus just taste so good. Then this is our jelly part of our peanut butter jelly hummus. So I have 4.1, so I'm going to finish off my 6 ounces with this. So just keep adding until the number gets to 6. Perfect, 6 ounces. Then I'm going to grab a spoon and we're going to mix this all together. Alright, and that is how it's made. And it should look like this. It should be nice and smooth and all mixed together. Now the real test is let's have lunch. Peanut butter, creamy, fruity goodness. I'm going to go get some vegetables to side with this and have my lunch. Thanks for watching. I'll let you in on a little secret. So I am putting together all 5 of my cookbook volumes. I'm putting it together in one big book. Shh, don't tell anybody. It's coming out soon, so keep your eye out for it. So it's over 300 recipes put into one book. It's going to be huge. It's going to be square, so the pages will stay open. So it's going to be about like 2 of these put together, that size. And it's going to be amazing. You will never get bored in the kitchen, and you'll never think, oh man, what should I eat? Because you'll have over 300 recipes in one. And instead of having 5 books cluttering your kitchen, it's all in one book. And in the back, I took a suggestion, a lady suggested that, hey, you should put in batch recipes in the back. So I have an index in the back of the cookbook that'll say ricotta cheese, and it'll have all the ricotta cheese recipes, or chickpeas, and it'll have all the chickpea number recipes. You can look up that recipe, find what you want to cook before your items spoil in the fridge, and you can use all of those. So keep your eye out for that. And I'm working on volume 6 as we speak. So that will be coming out soon. If you like this recipe, check out my other volume. You can find these on my website at weightlossrecipesforbrightlinescookbook.com. I have a full recipe index on there. You can see what recipes are in each book and pick one that you think, ooh, that's the book for me. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe below or follow me on Facebook at Weight Loss Recipes for Bright Lines. Thanks for watching. Bye.